Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Come spend the day with us at our boutique.
It's Tuesday here, which is officially June 2nd, so happy June. And we are in the midst of prepping for Father's Day and 4th of July. Kelly's working on putting some new product into the system so we can print labels, and I was just taking some pictures. Let me show you what we have that's new. So for America 250, we've done our new America 250 t-shirt on a comfort color, nice like cream color. I'm actually really digging that. This is a great design for men and women. It actually kind of gives me that old whiskey kind of feel to it, almost like a Jack Daniel's type of vibe to them. I like it though, very, very nice. And then a fan favorite, Goose. Now we've done Goose for every season, right, Kel?
Mm-hmm.
So
pretty much.
Anybody who's been collecting them, we have a new one. Very, very cute. Nice crew neck sweater, perfect for when you get out of the pool and you're cold, or you get out of the ocean from the beach and you're cold, or for one of those nightly bonfires when the air gets that little chill in it. These are perfect for that. Oh, especially drive-in, when you go to the drive-in and you're watching a movie and starting to get cold, throw on that crew neck. Beautiful. Love it. And yet to come is this one here. Kelly picked this one and she wants to do it on a blue tie-dye, which I think is going to be really, really cool. I'm looking forward to seeing that. The shirts just haven't come in yet. We're just waiting on that. They should be arriving hopefully tomorrow. I think it was tomorrow that it said. We also have a few online orders that we need to ship today. So I'm going to give you one of these little boys right here because it's been way too long. You thought I forgot, didn't you?
I was hoping.
I didn't forget. Online order. We love online orders. It's you guys that are a huge support. We love you. We made this one here. And this is our Hooked on Freedom tee, but this is requested on one of the comfort colors, so we did that. We also had the request for the Poppy Flag tee on a comfort color. We have this in the shop. You can find it online. It is a Bella canvas and it is a sublimation shirt. But here's this one that we made on the comfort color. Also with that order, we're going to be doing some car coasters. This cool hair clip. I actually really like this clip. There's something about, I don't know, the colors of it or the way it, I don't know, it's really cool. And the super popular bath bombs, mandatory me time, in the watermelon. And then we have another order for the tiger eye cross necklace that'll be going out. So thank you to Ronald and Tina for your orders. They're much appreciated, and we should be getting them out today. What you working on?
Putting things in the computer. And I also have my Diet Coke.
I saw a video somewhere that said the most intelligent people drink Diet Coke and the most creative and intelligent, and I thought, how true is that? This world would crumble without Diet Coke. Maybe. I don't know. Sometimes I try to find the perfect shot, and I'm like, oh, this won't fit on this little thing. It'll stand wherever, but not work out all the time. And then I'm like, oh yeah, we have the big tripod. I love this thing. Then I can put it anywhere.
I was just on Facebook checking out our business posts, and this happened to pop up on our memories that 3 years ago today we bought our house and the shop. How exciting. And also this.
We've really come a long way from our humble beginning to where we are now. Just got a delivery in, and the top two are Hollywood. I'm not sure what the other two are. And I love a good Hollywood package. Looks like there's some clothing down in that one. I'm not sure what is in that one yet, but we'll find out.
Follow me out, down to the bay. Forget all the worries. When you're with me, let every wave gently kiss away some of the hardness from those brief yet gloomy days. Wilderness, we give you our best. We're so blessed to have you.
All right, we're ready to unbox these and see what we got. Although you probably know what we got. Maybe you don't remember.
I totally remember.
That's the best. Oh, hold on. Hold on. There you go. Oh, yay, more packing peanut.
This one's a sequin.
Oh, yeah, this one. We had
That one
mentioned
they
that.
can't know about yet. Pumpkin. Car diffusers.
Pumpkin waffles. One of the most popular items. All right, and this big old box here, which we were a little worried about because it was pretty crushed, but
I think it'll be fine.
the
I just
contents
like to
look
take a
good.
picture. We get little bags like this from them with every order.
All the time. I was reading what was on that thing. They really have it all crammed in these 2 boxes. Yeah, I guess they do.
Mop soap. Bougie mop soap.
We were completely out of the bougie mop soap, weren't we?
We also have the Hot Girl Summer multi-purpose spray. We are out of all of our multi-purpose spray. We have to wait for the bougie scent to come back into stock, but for now we got Hot Girl Summer.
The next best thing. One of my favorites. Lots of bougie room spray. We were out of that. And there was like a time like a couple of weeks ago, it was almost everybody that I had come through the door of the shop was looking for it and it sold out real quick. This will last us much longer, I feel like. Hot Girl Summer, we were out of those. Another pack of Hot Girl Summer. Lord, yes! That's a new one. I don't think we've ever had that.
Strawberry, I believe.
Look at the color. It's a much more vibrant color. Oh, that's very... strawberry, summertime. That smells good.
So I got wax smoke in that.
Poppy, Batty.
Sugar Mama, and Loud Yes.
That's the strawberry one. Man, does that smell good. It's like a refreshing strawberry, if that makes sense. Just in time for the Strawberry Festival. I'm very excited about this particular package. This is a different brand we haven't tried before, but we've heard from a lot of people that are looking for shorts, jean shorts. Oh, those are cute. And so we have some out there. We have the Judy Blue ones that don't have any distressing on them. And these are really cool because they've got a little bit of a rough edge and a little bit of distressing to them. Really, really nice. I like those. Oh, yeah. Very pretty. Cool. That took care of that problem. I think that turned out pretty good. Everything looked great. Great short. Got the bag bumped up and hat and everything out. I love the headband. Kelly and I dealing with the internet issue a little bit. It's being worked on by the company. It's a little slow today, and we're trying to get the things that we need done. We're making car coasters and things, and we kind of need a connection for that. But, I mean, still turned out great, didn't it? These look good. Peachy or something. Every one of these turned out perfectly. Very happy with the way those look.
And I got more rose ones.
That one and that one. Yep. So that's great. We have another page of these being printed now, and then I think we have a couple other things that we're working on too. Cool. Maybe Kelly will show you packing a couple orders. Those orders we talked about earlier, we need to get them out now.
I'm gonna get these orders packed. We have some new thank you cards that we made with our new logo and everything. So I'm gonna write the notes on the back and get these packed up.
Alright, so I just dropped off one package at the post office. I gotta take this one over to our FedEx dropper, and that'll go out. And we'll be good for those deliveries. Hopefully we get some more online orders though, and have a few more. So Kelly and I got this little stand. It came with our front counter that we use at the shop. And we want to use this for there's that Christmas show coming up, but also kind of act like a secondary checkout stand. So we're looking at trying to, the first thing we got to do is peel all the paint or scrape all the paint off, which you can see she did really good on that one side already. And then
because this is like
veneer, I don't know what it is.
they didn't the people that had this before, when they painted it, they did not prep their surface well. And this is like plastic. I don't know. It's not plastic, but it's like that.
It's like particle board with like a coating or something, but so it didn't get sanded down before painted, so this paint kind of just peels right off. We got new paint, we got spray paint to paint it, and then we're going to end up putting our logo on the front here and making it a really, really good.
We're also going to do wallpaper, like peel and stick wallpaper on part of it.
Oh yeah, that's right. Part of it's painted, part of it's going to be some wallpaper. It's going to look really, really cute when it's done. And the best part about it is it's not too heavy. Like, I can pick this thing up and move it on my own.
And we're going to try to put wheels on it, casters.
Yeah, if we can get some wheels for it to roll around, that'd be great. And while we were at it, we are taking care of a flower here for somebody. So I went ahead and deadheaded and put some fresh water on there. So it'll be good for when they come back to pick it up. I've got the shop camera on here. I don't know if you can see that. So that way we can keep an eye on things. Alright, that does it for today. Closed up here. Grab a water bottle and everything and head home. Catch you over there. Alright, Kelly was committed to the work. She did one whole side and about 3/4 for the other. Half? Maybe half. But look at this big old piece she peeled off.
Sorry.
Look at that big piece she peeled off, all in one. But we're getting closer. The front, I tried to do some of the front here, and it was just like chipping off. It wasn't giving me any kind of long streak like that. But we were talking on other options, whether we wallpaper the front and paint the sides, or whatever the case may be. We'll work around it. We'll see how it goes, and whatever won't scrape, we'll have to figure out. Well, guys, for dinner, we're doing an old favorite pasta recipe. We actually haven't had it in a long, long time. Some boiling water and doing that. But I wanted to show you, when I ran over to Sheets earlier, they had all these protein, legendary protein. They had these cinnamon rolls and like their Pop-Tart, Strawberry Pop-Tart things. They were all 99 cents. And those things are like $3.50, $4 or something. So I said, yeah, I'll take that too. That was pretty cool. Got my hands on that. But we're just whipping up dinner now, and I've got everything ready to go. I don't know, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, but you've seen it before. This one we ate a lot. And then I don't know what we're doing, but that's the update. There we go. Looks great. I'm ready to dig in. I'm hungry. Well, this lovely Tuesday evening after dinner, we kind of watched TV, went for a walk, did a quick workout, did some laundry, played with the cat, just general kind of household maintenance type things, and but we're getting ready to go to bed, and so I'm up here in Kelly's new library, or she's watching Gilmore Girls. I'm watching Forged in Fire and snuggle, getting comfortable for bed, and then we're gonna go to bed. So that's gonna do it for this video. We thank you guys for watching. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Here on our channel, if you see, Kelly had posted about we kind of wanted to do a little Q&A thing we kind of want to do a small business Q&A on there. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you go on there, leave some comments. We'd love to get to those and answer those. It's a good time. We love your comments. We appreciate you guys. And as always, like, share, and make sure you subscribe if you're not yet. So thank you guys for watching and have a great night. We'll see you later. Bye.